Let me show you how to make an extra $5K a month as a teen. No money needed to start. First, you're going to find out what you want to sell. In order to find your products, first you're going to either go to Etsy.com, push the search bar, and you're going to see what's popular right now. Or you can go to Amazon.com, push bestsellers, and you can look at the bestsellers in every single industry. Once you've picked your product that you're going to sell, you're going to find a supplier. You can find suppliers for your products at these sites above. Once you find your supplier, then you're going to pick your business name and create your business logo. You can either create your business logo on your own with Canva or have someone do it for you on Fiverr for about $5 to $10. I'm on Canva at the moment. You're going to create an account and then push create a design and push logo. With Canva, it's super easy to create your own logo. All you're going to do is push templates and then find the template that works best for you. Once you've picked your template, you're going to edit and change it to your colors and your business name. Once you've picked your product, created your business name, and created your business logo, you're going to go to LegalZoom.com and create your entity. Once that's done, you're going to go to the bank and open a business bank account. Now this is where it gets fun. You're going to create an Etsy account and become a seller. You're going to go to Etsy.com and scroll to the very bottom and push sell on Etsy. Once you add all your business information, you're going to create listings. The listings are the products you're going to sell. So with this, it's very important to have good product descriptions and great product titles and great product pictures. Once you've opened shop and added your products to your store, you're ready to sell. My sister and I made over $10,000 our first month selling on Etsy. And you can do the same. So follow us for more business tips and to learn how to make money online.